Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we will go with lesson number 2 for Excel sheet. So in this lesson we will explore more advanced techniques for Excel sheet, and this is called spreadsheet analysis. You will learn in this lesson how to work with multiple worksheets at the same time. How can I manage my data efficiently and use data analysis tool to uncover trend and insights. So let us go more deeply on this one. This lesson will have around 24 titles. So when you take the lesson, you will have different parts. The first one is about how can I managing my Excel sheet. Okay, so if I have an Excel sheet, and this one, remember, we downloaded last time in the previous lesson. Also here, anything that you can see or any example, just click on this one to download the same example and try to do the steps on that one. So any example, you can download it and try the steps. Okay, so if I have this Excel sheet, how can I moving, inserting, or copying an Excel sheet? So this is January to June expenses and income. We have June, July to December, we have prices, we have purchases. So we have a lot of Excel sheets that we want to work on. First thing, how can I move something? So select, for example, I want to move this table, select, and then put the cursor on the edge. Then you can move. Okay? How can I copy? Again, select and then right-click copy or Control-C from the keyboard. Control-C. And then put your cursor anyway and then Control-V. Okay, look at this. It's still active, right? Which means you can Control-V. Control-V is for paste. So you can copy and you can paste. Copy with Control-C, paste with Control-V. Why I use Control-V, not Control-P? Because Control-P is not for printing. It's for printing, not for pasting. So because of that, we use Control with V, okay, like voice, to paste. So it's still active, and there is this border is like motion border, which means it's still active and you can copy and paste it anytime. If you want to go out of this active cell, just click on the escape from your keyboard. Now this is how I copy and I move. Also, this course, your professor, in this class, your professor will show you how to do naming, grouping, hiding, and unhiding for some sheets. So those are two sheets. I can select both of them. How I select both of them? By clicking Control from the keyboard and select. Okay, so I can select all of them or some of them. All of them right now, they are a group. Click on any of them, it's a group, to ungroup it. Okay, so with Control you can group them, or you can what? Ungroup. Right click, you can rename, you can move or copy, and you can do a lot of things. From right click also you can delete a sheet. Okay, all of this your professor will show you how to do it. In part 2 of the lesson, they will show you some like options for printing. So if I go to File and then I go to Print, from Print they will show you some stuff that you can printing. Sometimes printers did not print all the table. Okay, so before printing, look at this. My sheet have 1, 2, 3 tables. 1, 2, 3 tables, and want all of them to be printing on the same page. But when I go to File and then I go to Print, if you can see, I just have some of them, not all. So before you print, you have to go to some of those view options with it, which is next to the clock, or it's in the left down, right down corner. So we have the normal view, we have the page layout view, and we have the printing view. So in the printing view, it shows you that this will be printing in page number 1, those will be printing in page number 2, And June will be printing in page number 3. Okay, just June, this one will be printing in page number 3. From H to O will be printing from page number 2. And from A to G will be printing in page number 1. I want all of them to be printing in the same page, so you need to drag and move this blue border to include all of them. So all of them right now will be printing in one page. If I go to File, Print Now, all of them printing in the same page. So all of those options will show you, your professor will show you, but remember, anytime before you print anything, you have to go to this view, which is called Page Break Preview, or it's called Printing Preview. Make sure that all of them is covered in the same border, blue border, to print all of them in the same page. Then, the third part of the lesson, they will do some data analysis for you. And data analysis, which means I can combine a lot of pages at the same time, or a lot of sheets, and then analyze them, get some decisions from them. Number 4, they will show you some formatting for clarity, which means how can I apply some stuff to format my page. Number 5, part number 5, they will show you how to do charts and to do data visualization, or how to visualize some element. For example, I want to select this, and then I want to go to Insert, and from Insert go to Chart. Okay, so here how you can insert many charts. The good thing in Excel, they give you something here, it's called recommended chart, and this is very helpful, which means it's give you something to, let me delete. Okay, so it's give you something like it's recommend for you. After you select your data, it can recommend for you what's the best chart to draw it, because we have a lot of charts. So we have a lot, like here we have bar charts, we have hierarchy charts, we have waterfall charts, pie charts, scatter. So sometimes I don't know which one to use. So when you click on recommended, they will show you what is the recommended chart that you can use. For example, I want to use this one. So it's shown me the chart. You can increase the size of the chart. Okay. And also, if you can see here, we have a new ribbon, 2 ribbons. One is called Chart Design and one is called Format. So Chart Design, I can change the chart design. I can change the chart title, X-axis, Y-axis, and a lot of things. How can I do that? There is 2 ways. You can click on the chart and then click on this plus, which is chart element, and from the plus you can add more stuff. Or from the chart itself, click on the chart, double click, and then from here, from the chart design ribbon, we have charts elements. All of those your professor will show you how to add them. Now, before you go to your lesson, I want you to practice for grouping and doing some stuff for your sheets. I want you to try to do some charts and to complete your tasks for this week. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next lesson. Before I leave, I want to show you one thing and focus on that one. Okay? You know why I show you this one, right? Okay, see you next time. Bye.